This is the official car of the Nigerian president. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to tell you 10 reasons why this is the perfect car for the 16th president of Nigeria. Brief history. The official car of the Nigerian president have always been Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz. Like the Shagari Benz, remember that one? And every president always uses the S-Class. Except Olusegun Obasanjo in his first tenure used the Pojo, then he switched back to the S-Class. So this has always been what I've been used to, but now all of that has changed. And the Cadillac Escalade is the new official car. First, let's talk about the looks. Before the looks, let's talk about the size. This is the biggest SUV, the biggest passenger car you can buy right now. I mean, look at it. It is just long, big. So that is the first thing about the Cadillac. It is a very big car. Very big. Like you can use it for whatever. It is long. Now, Land Cruiser, another big SUV. Pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now the Escalade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is big. Because this is bigger than everything here, and these are like the big SUVs that we know. So this car is very, very big. Second thing about this car is that it looks premium and stealth at the same time. I mean, first, you need to know that Cadillac is America's foremost luxury brand. So this is like the Mercedes-Benz of America. As Mercedes-Benz is to Germany, this is the one for America. So they create premium-looking cars only. And I don't know, the way this thin headlights freezes into this large grille, it just does something to my brain. So you see this car is big, I know, but on the road, you don't see it until you see it. One of the notable features on this car on the road when you see it is this LED light. It comes up, but every other thing else just appears to you. And I like that about the Cadillac. At the rear, premium and stealth, like I said, because where's the tail light? You don't see it until it comes alive. This is the tail light. All of this is the tail light. It is big, but it's just on one corner. And yeah, I don't know, it just makes sense. Like everything on this car is just there. Like you never notice it. You just see the big size and you're like, what is that? Number 3 thing about this car is that the interior space is also the biggest. And yeah, when you open the door, because this guy is big, you get a stepping board. It serves you a stepping board that helps you into the car. Yeah. Big. What? The interior space is also large, like I said. Like, it's not just the space, so everything inside is large. The space between the passenger in the front and the driver, okay, between me and the person here is, like, I can almost not touch the person. And we're in a car. That's crazy. And this car fits 7 people in the most comfortable way. So I'm going to try and fit in all the 7 seats. And you see how easy that is. So this one, obviously, I'm very comfortable. I feel very comfortable. Let me go to the back. At the back too, same thing. I'm very comfortable. Somebody can just lie down here. Like, you can just sit down on the... What am I saying? You can just sit down at this middle space and it's still very comfortable. I have what too? Comfortable. Now, the third row seats. This is the most comfortable third row seat I have seen. Because I don't have to fold my legs. And 3 people can sit down here comfortably at the back. So this is just very, very comfortable. For a car, this is too comfortable for the third row seat. The fourth thing about this car is that the technology on this interior is cutting edge. Let me show you. So first, let me start it up. You can already see that this car in front is dominated by 2 giant screens. But other screens, they go side by side. But this one, we have 2 screens where they are overlapping each other. I just like that effect of the overlap. Let me start it up now. You see what I mean. So you see, you have warning signs all over here. So you see warning signs here. So you have your infotainment and you have your instruments gauge cluster. So you control everything on this infotainment using the touch screen. Or you can also use this dial here. You can also use this dial here too. Yeah, yes, wow. Okay, we need to reduce the sound. Just reduce the sound. Easy. So the tech in this car is up to date. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, standard on this car. Standard. You can connect your phone. You can do whatever you need to do. Let's see the features we have to drive. So you have apps. You have ambient lighting. You can change the color of the ambient light in the night. You can change it. You can switch between different colors. And other apps here will be, okay, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So use that. You have driver assist technology. You have vehicle information. It shows you when you need to service the car. It shows you everything you need to see. The fifth thing about this car is that it has the craziest driver assist technology. First, look at this. This is heads-up display. We have heads-up display here, and we also have augmented reality of the road. So whenever you are driving, you have a camera showing you. So when you put that you are going somewhere on your navigation, as you are driving to that place, it tells you when to turn left. It tells you when to turn right. So as you are looking at the road like this, you are seeing the road from here, and it's just telling you, you know the way Google Map tells you, go left now, go right now. This one will show you that, okay, now turn left, now turn right, and that's just crazy. So even at night, you see clearly because you have night vision camera on this car. You see clearly here. So you don't even have to look at your windscreen when you're driving. You cannot be driving like this. That's crazy. Another thing I like about this car is this rear view mirror can switch between being a camera and a normal mirror. Once you just push this, you have a normal mirror. You think it's a normal mirror. You think you're looking at the normal mirror, and you push back and it's the camera. So now Edward, go to the back. Edward's going to the back. We can't really see Edward like this. We can see somebody with the camera. We can't really see him like this. But now when we switch, you see. Now you can see him with the camera just there. So this is a rear view camera and doubles as the normal rear view mirror. That's crazy. 16 is you have a lot of storage space. The cup holders are so big. You can put big bottles here. You can put big bottles here, keep stuff here. You have this wardrobe to hide stuff. This thing is cool because this is a fridge. So you can put your drinks here. You can put your drinks here and you cool it. And this one is a normal cooling that is just a cool box. So it actually ices the drink. Like you see frost around it at the right temperature. I mean, you can also keep stuff here. Very deep. You can keep stuff here. You see storage space here too. And storage space all over the car. Even at the rear, you have this storage space for drinks. You can keep 2 drinks here. And here you also have 2 USB Type-C. You have the normal plug. If you want to charge your laptop, you can plug it here. So this is a proper family car. Actually, this is a proper family car for a long journey, long distance. And the only button you can find in the front area of this car, apart from the infotainment, is this climate control. The climate control is very, very much more now. You just on, off, you control everything from here. This is premium, and the leather is also very premium. I mean, like, this is premium. They've done their best. You might not get the best level of leather, but quality is there. So where you can see also based on features, you have 36 speakers in this car. 36 speakers come together. The sound, you have speakers on the headrest. As you are driving, the song is entering your soul directly. Actually, I don't know how I feel about having speakers on my headrest. I need to try it out and see if it makes sense. Like you're driving and those songs entering you. I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah. So yeah, anywhere you sit in this car, you are comfortable. Now let's guess. I'm wondering what seats the president. Like what is the president's favorite seat in his Cadillac Escalade? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it this one? I doubt it. So this is not comfortable. This is not even a seat, but me, I really love sitting. So let me know in the comment section, what seat do you think the president sits in his Cadillac Escalade? Now, the 7th thing about this car is that it is a very powerful car that reserves power. Let me explain. I can explain. Trust me. Okay, America. Yeah. So this is a naturally aspirated 6.2 liter V8 engine, but it produces only 420 horsepower. I know of a Mercedes-Benz car that is just a 4-liter engine that produces about 650 horsepower, 500 horsepower. So the minimum power that this car is supposed to give me is about 550. But they've downsized the power of this engine. Why? Because they want reliability to come first. So this car is very powerful. Yes, we know it can give you more power, but we want it to just give you 420. So that 420 horsepower is reliable. So that is the concept of this car. It will carry you anywhere. It will do the speed you want it to do. It will get to that speed. It is heavy and it might be slow, but it's to get there eventually. So this is a car for cruising. It's not for any track activity. It's not for speeding. Not for fast acceleration. It's not for maneuvering on the road. It's just for driving smooth. So when you give a V8 420 horsepower, you know what that means. Smoothness, reliability, just smooth all the way, all the way. The eighth thing that makes this car flawless, but yeah, to open the trunk, you just push the Cadillac Escalade button. Did you catch that? No, I want you to catch it. I want you to catch it. Let me teach you something while you're here. So you close it with this. Now, if anybody tells you, how do you open the trunk of a Cadillac Escalade? Yeah, open it for me. You just say, now smalls now. You just come here, just push the logo, and it opens. Very animated. I like it. Now, the eighth thing about this car is that you can carry anything in the trunk. I know now it looks like a regular trunk space. It looks like a regular trunk space. It is big enough to carry stuff. But because you know you have seats, you just electronically press this button here, and that seat goes down. Falls down. So you have like crazy amount of space. Let me adjust this seat so you just. So now you can carry. Can carry whatever you want to carry in this car. I will carry your other car in this trunk space because now you can carry whatever you want to carry. This is big. This is so big. Whoa. So you can carry anything you want in the trunk space. And electronically you can return it back to how it used to be. You just press this button. Comes back. Okay, back up. And now you can see that there's also a socket here to charge your laptop in the back. Number 19 about this car is that only a president can actually maintain it, or somebody that makes money like a president. I'm not joking, but this car costs about 106,000 naira to fuel it. And when you buy full tank in this car, it can only take you from here to Ibadan maybe twice. And in the Corolla, that is half the price for full tank. What am I saying? A Corolla full tank is like 35k, 40k. So you go to Ibadan to and fro about 3 times. So this car is a fuel guzzler. Drinks petrol because I mean it's big, it's hefty, V8, naturally aspirated, heavy. So when you speed in this car, you're burning fuel like crazy. But the tank is just big so that you can go far distances like without having to refill. It's not as if the fuel tank is big so that it's sucking the fuel. No. It's big just so that you can go far distances. But I mean, going just twice to Lagos and Ibadan back on a full tank is crazy. After spending 106,000 naira. So yeah, tell me, what is the 10th most exciting thing about the president's car, the Cadillac Escalade? And just so you know, this is not the exact president's car. This is just the type. President's one is obviously more expensive than this. It is armored, has more options. It is like the fullest option and has like special features because the president, we don't know what is in his car. So if he did some things all around the car, we don't know how much that one is estimated to be. But yeah, that is it about the Cadillac Escalade. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. Let me know in the comments what car do you want to see next? What car do you want to see us talk about next? Do you like the Cadillac Escalade? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? Let me know in the comment section. And as usual, if you're trying to buy this car or any other car, send us an email, cars@234drive.com, and we will be more than happy to point you in the right direction. Once again, my name is Crank. Peace out.